Hi kids, let's start the game. In this game, you have to make some different kinds of delicious pizza. Okay, let's start. First of all, pour some red sauce on it. Yes. Good. Okay, now pour some cheese. Yummy cheese. Okay, now pour some meat. Okay, now some oregano. Very good. It is okay. Now time to bake it. Yes, bake it. Good. Bake it in oven. Okay. Now pack it in the box and deliver it. Great. Okay, make some more. First of all, pour some red sauce on it. Okay, now some delicious cheese. Now some meat. And some sausages. Very good. Okay, now bake it. Bake it, kids. It smells so good. It's delicious, no doubt. Okay, now pack it and deliver it. Very good. Okay, make some more. Pour some white sauce. Okay, shred some cheese. Very good. Okay, now add some pineapples. Great! And add some sausages. Very good. Okay, now bake it in the oven. Yeah, smells very good. Okay, now pack and deliver. Okay, make one more, a delicious one, a special one. Okay, wet sauce. Very good. Cheese. Great. Sausages. And mushroom. Okay, bake it in the oven. Wow! Very good. Pack and deliver. Yes, kids. You are so smart, kids. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.